I found it right there. Sephora, Sephora, Sephora. Hey guys, welcome to Totallyevelynin. As promised, I'm sharing. Join me after the short break and then I'll show you what I bought. Hey guys, welcome back to Totallyevelynin. And what did I buy from Sephora? My favourite shop. Actually, I didn't spend as much as I would have liked to have spent, but it's quite expensive in there, isn't it? Especially in Dubai. The little bag here of goodies. And I'm already prepared to show you what I've got. So, I did buy my friend a little gift as well, so I can't show you that. I've already gave her it. I did buy some things from River Island as well, but I'm going to show you them on the next video because we'll be here forever. Not that I bought too much from River Island, but it's going to be on a different video. You'll have to hold on for that one. Always good to buy a good lip liner. I never thought of the importance of a lip liner before, but it really does make a difference, and I'll tell you why. Because if you put on a lip liner and then you blot the lip liner into your lips and put a clear lip gloss on, then it really does stand out a bit more than just a lipstick, you know. So if you're wearing a dark lipstick, I don't know about you, but I always feel I get into such a blinking mess with dark lipstick, and I love dark lipstick. But if you buy the lip liner and you put it on quite thick, and then you just don't use as much lip gloss. I used to use too much. I would use a lip gloss, my friends will tell you, it's no word of a lie. I could use this and probably buy a new one within 2 weeks, honest. So now I am just dabbing a little bit in the middle like this, and I'm not even, that's all I'm putting on, and then I just use my finger and I just do this, and that's all you need if you've got a lip liner on. I hope I did that well. So that's the colour that I got, this purple colour, which I love. It is Huda Beauty. I'll tell you the colour in the description, and it's stunning. It's a really beautiful colour. It goes with anything at all. Good for during the day, but probably even better for nighttime. What I'm loving about this lip liner is if you wanted to wear a red, which I've been doing a lot, is I just put the lip liner on and then I do exactly the same with the colour. One tiny tap of your lip gloss and just dot it in, and that's all you need. And then you get a bit of tissue and blot it, and you won't need to really worry about your lips being a complete mess if you're drunk. Even if you're not drunk, but through the day if you're drinking coffee, it will stay on perfectly well. As long as you don't put too much on, then that is an absolute saviour for me, it really is. So no more glossy lips to the full and really all over the face. Of course, I bought a beautiful colour of eyeshadow. I bought green. My daughter Robin always used to put green on me when I was back home in Edinburgh, and I've really missed the green, so I decided that I would try it myself. They're quite wild colours. It is called Wild by Huda Beauty. Getting old and getting wild is good fun. Let's see. These colours are, oh, I did well with the lip gloss. See how nice and fresh that is? It's just a tiny little dot. You would think I had lashings of lip gloss on, but I've not. This is the palette called Wild Huda Beauty, and the colours are magnificent. So I was out at the weekend and I had the bright yellow on here and that sparkle colour there. Can only show you one eye because you'll see the outfit I got from River Island, and that's next week's video. And I've been wearing this natural colour, like orange and brown, that I've got on right now. and it's really easy to apply. What I love about Huda Beauty colours is they just stay on, they glide on so beautifully. They are expensive, not as expensive as some, but very, very economical, I would say. I've had my old palette for about 2 years, so that was me just buying a new one now. And I really fell in love with these colours. So I'm going to mix and match, I'm going to play about with them, and I get myself in a bit of a mess. But it doesn't matter because the colours are so rich, and as I said, they just glide on. They are so versatile, beautiful, really nice. So I was very, very happy with these colours. Okay, that's Mrs. Wildchild. What did I buy for Through the Day? I don't know why I had to buy some for Through the Day, because I totally overlooked that I have 2 colours here for Through the Day. For some reason I thought these were all the wild colours. Let's check this one out. I've not even opened it. I didn't get too excited. Usually I get excited and I want to try all the colours. My friend comes over. She comes over in November, the end of November. We will have a pyjama party before we go out, and I'm sure she'll have all her palettes, I'll have mine, and we'll have a nice field day trying each other's palettes. This is the Nars, and the colours, stunning. Actually, these colours are more going to suit Alex and me. These are the nice browns, all different, nice neutral colours. So we've got this lighter one, another lighter one here. A bit of sparkle, because we always need a bit of sparkle. This is nice and warm, a little bit brown in the corners. And if you really want to go crazy, then I suppose you could use that, and that, all in one night. Well, I'll be trying it anyway. So let's see how we get on with these. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. I'm going to video these so that you can see the actual colours, and I'll put all the names of these palettes in the description. Let me know if you're enjoying the videos, and do remember to subscribe, like and share. Hit that little bell for all your notifications of when the next video is going to be coming. Every Friday, I can tell you that. And what the video is going to be about. The next video will be about River Island, and then the next one after that I'm going to be very organised. I'm going to get my videos out a bit sharper and on time, because I have not been getting the videos out on time because I've been so rushed. So now I'll be able to pre-organise all my videos so they're there every week, and that should be better. I'm trying to build on my videos, and I'm trying to do a bit more sort of reviews of Dubai since I'm in Dubai, and maybe once I make a little bit more money I'll be able to do more videos on fashion, because I love the fashion and I love the makeup as well. Not that I'm really brilliant at putting makeup on, and sometimes I get it right, sometimes I get it wrong. I think I got it right today actually. Let's see. Yeah. I don't think you can go too wrong as long as you just put on a neutral colour, a little bit eyeliner, maybe get some false eyelashes, and that's it. And do the little trick with this lip liner, because it really does help. Thank you so much, gorgeous people. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.
Bye.